What's up, everybody? This is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath, and welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. And where are we today? This is Anant Nagar Temple, and yummy, amazing Anna Prasad at the temple today. So it's going to be a very interesting video. Do not forget to watch it till the end. So mom made ponsa mudda from Udupi and got it here. And this ponus is also from Udupi. She actually literally carried a ponus in the bus. And she packed it and got it here. Ponus is really yummy. Very sweet. And ponsa mudda is too good. Yeah, ponsa mudda. This is ponsa mudda. For that, the best combination is toop. That is ghee. Here some more ponsa mudda. This is some fresh cut vegetables. And this is ponus. This is all from Udupi. This ponus is literally gold here in Bangalore. 10 gura they sell for 100 rupees. And here we have entire ponus for free. This is my outfit of the day. हियर शू पहनने का कार्यक्रम चल रहा है. शू घालची घेत शू. शी इज व्हेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट शू. जावा गोत ही बाय चली.
A few minutes later.
तियल धुरंधर सॉन्ग गाला. Today is the second Sunday that I was talking about, that you can visit for Satyanarayana Puja to Anant Nagar Temple, Venkatramana Temple in Anant Nagar, Electronic City Phase 2. You can take God's blessings, and that's followed by lunch today for all the GSB Konkanis. Good baby girl in car seat. Baby girl doesn't look happy. Kasha jai? Song yana ke. She's showing like this, which means her song is not playing. Dish. Nana song ya na mono. Tight kar. Bublo. Hi karana. Hi everyone. Hi karana. Bye hi kelalo no tu. Hi yeah. Her octopus. She likes this a lot. Her octopus this is. So I keep a lot of toys in the car, so that she can be easily distracted. Otherwise car journeys are. Hi everyone. Hi kartas monkey. Car is literally shaking on such roads, and here there are flats. Mana Varadanta or some for flat. Mana flats, and they're selling 2 BHKs and all 3 BHKs for 1.5-2 crores. Road illa mara illi 2 crores ante. If you go to visit their site and say that roads are not there, they will tell you, sir, your 4-lane road will come in future. Barpundu at fluent iji. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಪುಜಿ ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆ ಅಂಚ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಭಾಷೆ ಪಾತೆರನು. This is Tulu if you don't know the language. This is a Tulu is a regional language spoken in Udupi, Mangalore, Kundapur side. Our language of our Tulu Nadu, coastal Karnataka. Last Sunday this one did lot of pokri. Kasa pokri kela na sangana tank puratu hai. Kasa pokri kela na to hai. First she went and touched in my sister's house. She went and touched their diya and didn't even tell. We didn't even realize it. After that she didn't even tell it that Monday evening in the night she's showing me her hand here. There's a burn. A small boil has come. I got a shock and I didn't know what to apply. For my burns I generally apply toothpaste. but actually you should not apply it, it seems. I also didn't apply anything. That night she did not sleep at all. Tuesday night she didn't sleep at all. She kept on crying. At 4 in the morning she somehow slept. She got fever. Then we are seeing that boil has grown a little bigger. Wednesday night again she didn't sleep. Then she got fever in the midnight, and that shocked us. So Thursday morning we took her to hospital. We took her to doctor, and then he said that boil is causing infection, and then sadly he had to put her on antibiotics, and we had no choice. So poor thing is on antibiotics for 5 days, and that has caused cross reactions. I think she's having a little loose motion and a little bit of rashes on the body. That was one pokeri she did there. And then after that my sister gave her a new toy. She sat in it and was trying to jump and climb their teapot. Thankfully my sister caught her, and otherwise she would have hit her head or something. Somehow she got saved there. Then while coming outside, Nishant went first with her toy, and she ran behind him to catch the toy. I was walking behind her, and somehow I turned to talk to Guruji. Fraction of second and seeing she has gone near the stairs and fell down from the staircase. It was 3 steps. She fell down on the floor directly. Ayyo, and she started crying. This girl is such a looty. Pokeri number 1. This one is
1 hour later.
And after all the bumpy ride, we finally reached Anant Nagar. This is Venkatramana temple, Anant Nagara. This is Anant Nagara temple. This is the newly constructed Rajangana. And this is Anant Nagar Venkatramana temple. That is Sudhindra Sabhagraha, that side. We got to see the puja. And after the puja, we went to Rajangana, where the lunch Anna Prasada was being served. And there we saw there was huge line, as it was 10 Satyanarayana Puja. So a lot of people had gathered, and it was a huge queue. There were a lot of kids, and baby Gayatri was enjoying looking around. Initially she got scared because there were a lot of people. She was clinging to her father, and then slowly she saw kids and felt very happy and started going close to the kids and roaming around. And yes, they started serving. And the Anna Prasad is being served now. This is Alsand curry. No, this is Tendla curry, Saru, Sheeta, Goju, Sapata. And this was gorshe, and there was ice cream also. What you brought? Kasari to meet gorshe. Ooh. फक्त ह्या लेवलच्या
अनेक नव्हते दोन
लेवल मैर्यार खाऊच्या पिस्ता आईस्क्रीम
गायत्री हाय म्हणा.
Also, I upload 2 long videos in a week and shorts almost daily. So please subscribe and make me reach 10,000 subscribers. And after everybody had lunch here, kids play and it is a huge ground, right? So Gayatri enjoyed roaming around here and there. Temple photography is prohibited. And here I met beautiful ladies who recognized me as Lakshmi Kamat Vlogs. Thank you so much. You made my day. I'm so happy. Oh, thanks, Tumka. Thanks, my thank you. आमगे ते मुद्दू जेल्लो तायकिले आंबट जेल्लो आनी कसं ना शेवाई जेल्ली आता मावे ते मुळीक After amazing temple feast and eating godshe, that is paisa for 2 times and ice cream, oh god, we were so sleepy. We went to my aunt's place which is close to the temple. Sleepy आहे sir. इथं तसं त्या नामने बुरी जमाना. My aunt made moolik. Moolik is fried bondas of jackfruit. So jackfruit rice batter is made and it is fried in oil. It is a yummy snack during rainy season. Nishant was teasing Gayatri and she was enjoying it, and after chai we went outside. We had some work and then returned home directly for dinner. Mave made patrade. Anpale. Hi Manamai. Mav made patrado. This is potato curry. There is happolu, papolu. Oh, kasha tinti namne happolu. ಯಾಕಸನೆ ಮಿರ್ಸಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಡು ಪಪ್ಪೋಡು ಸಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಡು ಯಪ್ಪ. A gentle reminder, if you did not like the video, hit that like button and also don't forget to hype the video. It was around 8:45 and we left my brother's house as it was almost nearing Gayatri's bedtime. This one is nicely roaming around, wearing shoes, doing all looty here. Apparently she slept from 4:30 till 7:15 it seems in the evening. Now रात में हमारा क्या होगा भगवान जाने. She slept very nicely in her mamu's house it seems. अब रात में 12 बजे तक नहीं सोएगी ये लड़की. हम मर गए हमारी आंट अन्ना. This area is called Anant Nagar. This is the front gate of the temple. What I showed in the earlier part of the video was the back gate. There are 2 gates and this entire area is called Anant Nagar and it has various lanes and crossroads. Lot of GSB Konkani community people stay here and they have lot of land and houses here. So you get to be close to the community if you decide to rent or buy and stay in this area. About 5-10 years ago, Anand Nagar was not at all developed. In the recent years, this area has just everything. You get everything. There's Vishal Mega Mart, D Mart, so many restaurants, food shops and clinics and then eye shops and footwear. There's everything there. And before leaving for home we had a pit stop at this new Mangalore store in Anant Nagar. As the shop name says, you get all local items which come from Mangalore, Udupi here, and especially Ideal ice cream. We Udupi Mangalore folks just eat Ideal ice cream. And if you don't know, Mangalore is called ice cream capital of India. So Ideal ice cream is the amazing quality. We got a lot of ice creams from here. We reached home. It was a great day. Yes, that's all I have for this video. If you're new, please do subscribe. If you watched the video till the end, thank you so much. Support me by hitting that like button. You can hype the video 3 times. Share it with your friends so that they can visit Anandnagar temple next time. And second Sunday you have Satyanarayana Puja followed by lunch. So come be a part of the Satyanarayana Puja and get the temple prasad. Let me know in the comment, have you been to Anandnagar temple before? Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.